All right, guys, I've been putting together these new kind of modular blasters. I think it's kind of cool to give you lots of different options. You know, we kind of see it with like the Unlocks rifle. You can do a couple different setups with it. And then I've definitely done this in the past with some of the Anstoy AK-47s, but never to this level of quality. That was prior to 3D printer. And now I can do so much more and make it look so much nicer. So what I got here is a YOJOLOIN M4 WASP. I like this because this is a blaster I feel comfortable giving away to anyone. You know, it's about 150 FPS, so I don't feel like it's too powerful or anything. And it's a really cool, kind of M4 style rifle gel ball blaster. So that's what I went with here. I've shown you one other one that I plan on giving away that has a bunch of different barrels and different stocks. And this is, a similar idea, but obviously looks much different. I mean, first off, I had some of this green paint I needed to use up. First, it was looking way too green, so that's why I went back in and added some of these silver accents. And then, of course, we got the orange safety tips everywhere. So as it sits here, we just got the regular buffer tube it comes with, and then I just put a different end on there. I imagine I'm going to add another stock to this as well, whether it's just the standard one that it comes with or something else new and different. By the time I give this away, there'll probably be some additional things added to it, so keep that in mind too. Okay, put a little rail riser on here. It's just kind of that front leaning rail riser that goes the whole length of the main part of the blaster. And then what we see here is we've got a barrel here from an M4A1. So I did a couple things there. We'll take this off. So with this one, I didn't do any sort of elongated inner barrel because I don't need to. So here is your Anstoy. You can see it's a different I had to go ahead and put a different ring in here or whatever, this adapter piece that came from an actual WASP barrel. Added it in, printed some of these little, this piece right here to kind of cover it up so that where the joint is, you don't get to see that, and it looks really nice this way. And of course, this slides on, no problem. Then went with the silver on that. Then I got a couple of different barrels that I made using 3D printed parts and PVC. So the smaller one right here, and again, there's just the connection that you need to get on here. So you're just going to go ahead, click that on. So there's our small one. We got the PVC. We got the rails all the way around and on the bottom. So that's pretty cool. And then here is the big one. So nice big barrel. And again, similar type of setup. Boom, goes on there. Got this nice big barrel right here, which is pretty cool. Little laser on top, and of course, a little grip on the bottom. And then lastly, we got this guy. So there's a lot of things I end up printing that maybe don't end up working out because I know I've mentioned to you guys often that most of what I'm printing is intended for airsoft, and sometimes things just don't line up enough that I can even make them work at all. So this piece was a combination of a couple pieces, and I just thought it would look really cool if I could, I started messing with it, and I figured out, hey, I can actually use it right here. And I think it turned out pretty good. So you got your bottom rail, we got the side rail, top rail, and then you can see it's actually going to shoot out this, but then you've got this other barrel down here. So that's just kind of 3 or 4 different barrel designs here. Also have the little kind of plug if you just want to put that there, go without any stock. And then like I mentioned before, I'm pretty sure that by the time I give this away, which maybe will be next month, I'm not sure because I plan on giving the other one away in September. There'll probably be another stock that I add to this as well. So what do you guys think of this? Do you like it? I'm going to go ahead and I'll shoot it with all the different barrels too. Again, it's a YOJOLOIN M4 WASP, and I plan on giving this away. You got the 4 different awesome barrels. You're going to have a couple different stocks, and I'll make sure to give you 2 drum magazines when I give it away too. But I'd like your feedback and just know what you guys think, and if you've got any good ideas or other things you want me to try. So stay tuned for the demo portion.